All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me? How's it going, everyone? Let's see what we got. Got Silver in the house, XRP Army, Subjat B, the Stone Santa, Hamid, ATM, Drock, 79, IP. Yeah, just waiting to see if anyone's going to come in here today. So, how are we looking? So, looking at XRP here, XRP on the 4-hour short time frame. We need to get over the 786 here. So we're still stuck on a downtrend. Overall macro in a good spot. We just broke this high, so that's good. But you really need to get a 4-hour close over this 786 at about 283. But when we zoom back out, a nice little bounce up. But there is a downtrend in play at the moment. So just trying to show you guys that's the price it needs to get over. And then 290, of course. It needs to have follow through and momentum on this move. Because as we know, looking at XRP weekly, 3-day, not looking too bad. Back test and now bounce. So it needs to have some follow through here. There could be some pain in the market. Just because you're starting to make lower highs and lower lows, starting to form bearish market structure here. But yeah, apparently XRP is coming out with another ETF, or they filed for another one. I think that's why it pumped today. The big influencers were talking about it. What's up, Lady T? Yeah, we might not get anyone in here today. We only got 7 people. It is, what? Oh, it is Friday night. It's Friday night and it's Valentine's Day, so. But yeah, I was watching, I don't know who I was watching, but someone said XRP to $100. They're calling for $100 XRP. I guess it's crypto, anything can happen. 39x to, oh, let me fix that. Oh, almost a 35x if this thing goes up to near $100. IP. Is this coin still moving? Oh man, they sent this thing to 0, huh? Well, we were on the 15-minute, I believe. Let me just redraw this. Oh, come on. Alright, so it looks like a 15-minute chart, so this can change, drastically. But you're over the 236. I mean, I don't know what to say on this coin. It's going sideways. It's just like the other new coins that come out. It's either going to break to the upside or break to the downside here. But you get the idea. So this is bullish most of the time. So you're over the 236, so as long as you're over 189, bullish over about 195 here, and it looks like your breakout. If this thing can get over $2, then it'll start moving to the upside here. Yeah, I would say if this thing can get up over $2 and stay there, then you're bullish to the upside. But right now it's just simply consolidating. What's up, Shadow? He's lurking. AOS. You need AOS sell targets. You talking about to the downside or to the upside? Well, AOS is now pretty much officially going sideways. Back tested, so it's kind of copying what XRP kind of did here. So as long as you're above 38 and 43 here, that's your support that's been holding for a very long time. Back over 51 is bullish, and then 74, 75. But as of right now, we're holding. Let me move this out of the way. We'll just go ahead and get rid of that. But low to the high, you are down below the 382 at 51. So as long as you're below that, you're not bullish, but you are holding support. But if this thing ends up breaking the 0.5, then this thing's going to drop real hard. 56% down to about 20. I think that's what we said last night, but AOS is going to be a good play. It just depends on if it's going to end up breaking down or it's going to hold here. But I like this target here, the 1414, 8 to 9, maybe $10 for a 10 billion market cap. So if we hit $10, you're getting a 22x, and if it goes to 20, 21 here, maybe $25 is a good solid number. Yeah, if it goes to $25 from here, you're getting a 55x. That is if it's going to hold up and not break down like PNG and what was the other one? ABT. Did Arc Block ever break down, or did it hold up? Yeah, Arc Block's doing the same thing here, but it's what we pointed out on XRP earlier. This market structure that's forming on all these charts is not looking great. Lower lows and lower highs, holding support. We either need to bounce really soon, or the whole market's about to fall off the table, it looks like. Same thing with XCN. I mean, we can be as bullish as we want on XCN, but it did the same thing. It got up exactly where we said it was going to go, above the 618 and hold. But what is she doing now? Starting to pull back again. Yeah, I mean, looking at XCN here, it's got these 4-hour closes back below the 618 again. The only thing we can do on XCN is the monthly or the weekly candles. If you get a weekly candle, which this has 2 days left on it now, if this weekly candle does not turn into a wick and stay above the 618, if it closes below, then party's over, which it seems like it's been over on XCN for a while now. And I can tell because the updates on the channel used to get a couple thousand views each every day. Now they're getting like 300, 400 views. So the XCN moon boys and girls have left the building. But very short term on the 4-hour XCN here. Yeah, you're right at the 618 here. Zebek. Yeah, this is probably going to be an hour stream, if not less. There's only 9 people in here. Just make sure I get 9 likes at least. But yeah, we went over the IP coin. He said ZBCN. Zebek Network. Oh, she's still pushing. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna miss this one too. Yeah, you got a 3-day. You got a 3-day and a daily close over the 382. So as long as you're over 0012, this thing is bullish. Looks like it's pushing again. Little candle's growing as we're talking. So if this thing can get up and get over 0015, where it got stuck every time it came up here, this thing may leave the station here. Yeah, ZBEC doesn't look bad. Bullish over the 3 to breakout confirmed over the 618 at 1.8. But a new high on this one's a 4x to 005, 006, and then that $500 million market cap, 600 million, 6.5x up to 008, 009. And then if you think this thing's going to hit a penny and hit $1 billion market cap, possible 13x in play, but it's looking good. We'll just see if it can break over. ZBCN's another one that's going to leave me behind. Oh, we got 18 people in here now. Everyone spawned in all of a sudden. But yeah, all that consolidation on ZBEC there, that thing's just waiting to go. We got Joe for 5. I appreciate that. I appreciate the super chats that come in all these bearish times. TCU, how are you, bro? I'm okay. Just pushing through every day. TCU, is that a coin? I don't think I've ever heard of TCU. TCU to the moon, not found. Yeah, someone tell me what TCU is. I'm old. We got XEN bro back in the house. Yeah, someone tell me what TCU means. How high can Corium go? There ain't no telling, but we'll see what we can see. Oh yeah, Corium's still holding up. She's back over the 3 too. She's being bullish again. Once this thing breaks over 22 to 24 here, confirmed over 25, maybe you'll get your little breakout out of this pattern. But yeah, Corium's still holding up here. She's probably about to have a nice spike up if she breaks out of this pattern to 60. So get ready, she's about to 3x out of this pattern if it holds. But Corium, I don't know what Corium is, but just to get up to the 618 retracement at about 268, 270. It's a 13.5x from where you are right now, so that's not bad at all. And if you're thinking up here 786 retracements, it's a 38x. And like I keep saying, I personally would get out at those targets. I don't think I'm gonna hold anything this cycle to ridiculous prices, because you can clearly see the 1272 new high. Maybe you get a giant wick like this again that shoots you up, but that's almost an 800x. So I'm not saying it's going to 800x, so no one buy in thinking 800x. Blender. Yeah, what is Blender? Oh, I don't even think I've ever heard that before. I get it now. TCU, the crypto undead. All right, I gotcha. Blender real quick. I appreciate the 5 though, my man. Yeah, is there a new coin on? All right, I guess you're talking about Blender Network here. I don't think we've ever looked at this one. Oh, maybe we did. All right, here's the full Blender network chart. Oh, this thing looks horrible. It's going to 0 right now. If it catches a bottom and you know what this thing is, it could be a good play. Depends on where you can buy it. But Blender, if that's the bottom, I mean, look, it held so long here and then it just died. That's unfortunate. That could have been a real good setup to the moon. But yeah, if you can get back over 22, short-term bottom is in here, and then macro 3-3, bullish over 56. But there's no telling if that's the bottom. Lower lows, lower highs, bearish market structure all over the place. But if it can hit a new high, whatever this is, 15 bucks would be a 77x. Looking on the 4-hour, yeah, it's just going to remain to be seen if it's going to be the bottom or not. But very, very short term, you already got the bottom in. If you can get over 19, you're short term bullish here. But maybe if you can stay over 17. Not in a bad spot though. It's down 98% almost from the top, so could very well be a bottom on this thing. 618 retracement, $1.30, a 7x, and then 250, 786 would be a 13x. What's up, Cryptomyalysis? How you doing, my man? Yo, what's up, Crypt? Haven't seen you in here in a while. Can't wait for XCN to break out again. We got a winner. Crypt for 2, I appreciate that. XYRO is going to go. Everyone get in quick. What is that? I appreciate the 2. Yeah, ZBEC Network's going to be a good one. It's going to leave me behind. What'd you say, XYRO? XYRO, homie. No, we didn't look at Stater. We can look at it though. Oh, what is this? Where's this one at? Yeah, it seems to be holding some sort of a bottom here. If I can get this to where I can draw something on it. There we go. Always do your research though. What is this? I don't know if I should use a scam wick or not. Alright, we're just going to use the wick. We're going to exclude the scam wick. Yeah, like I said, it depends on what this is. Not a bad looking chart. Down and sideways. It looks like it's holding the floor here. And it doesn't appear it's really ever done that for this length of time. So yeah, bottom in over 2.4, bullish over 3.1, breakout over 4.7 it looks like. But once you break the downtrend, it's probably gonna, whatever this is. Add this one to a possible new high to here. Off of that high, of course. An 8x up to 14. You're sitting at over a penny and a half here. Zibek Network is XRP XLM with AI on steroids. What's up, Ocean View? What's up, Bryant? What's up, Rashad? But yeah, this is not a bad looking chart. It just depends on where you can buy it. XYRO. If this was a Coinbase play, it'd be a good play. SD. Stater. What is Stater doing? Stater has the chart I don't like to look at. Because it's just all over the place. Alright, she's moving right now. Let me get a better SD chart. Since I don't like this one. Let's see if this one's better. Does the sound okay? I didn't even ask. Not that it matters. Alright, SD's on Coinbase. I didn't know that. Alright, I'm just going to use the other chart. I'm going to have to make a new one because every chart has different high prices, different wicks all over the place. Let's see what this chart tells us. See if there's anything respected here. I won't respect, or I'm going to throw this thing out the damn window. Alright, this one looks a little better. It looks like once you once you punch through the 0.5 at about $1.50, this thing's going to go to the moon. That's where it gets stuck every time it gets up here. But it looks like high to the low, you're above the 382 at about 96 to $1, so technically you are bullish on SD. And SD to a new high to 25 bucks here. Not bad, a 25x. Yeah, I think once you punch through the 0.5 at 150, she's going to take off. Might shoot straight up to 4 and a 4x. How high can XRP network go? As high as you want it. XPR. Still holding over the 382 on XPR. Now, 100x to the new high would take you up to 41. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but if you think it's going to hit 40 to 50 cents, that's over a 100x. More conservative target would be possible new high, 4 billion market cap to 15, a 38, 39x. But not a bad move just to get up to these levels here. If it holds up over the 382, 618 is a 3.5x away to 1 penny and 3 pennies. So 3 pennies is a good target for an 8x. Altura, what is that? I don't know if we've ever looked at that. Altura, I guess we have. LU fell off the table since the last time we looked at it, it looks like. Yeah. Anytime you see a double top form like that and you're coming back down to the sport, it's just not bearish, bullish at all. So you're holding a 0.5 right now, so your support is 5.9. 4. Well, the short-term 382, so not bullish at the moment. If you can get back over 7, it could be bullish again. Excuse me. But this one, I mean, if it holds up here, it looks like it's getting stuck at a trend here on the top. Yeah, that's why it's getting stuck there. Every time it hits this trend, it goes back down every time. So it looks like once you get over 19 on this one, you're in a good spot finally. Get over that trend. But a 23x up to the 1272 at about 137. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. RSR, please. Yeah, I remember when RSR was supposed to be the new Bitcoin. All right, silver. I appreciate that. It looks good. RSR. Yeah, wasn't RSR supposed to be? There's a lot of coins that want to take over Bitcoin for some reason. I don't know. RSR, what's up, Joe? He says B3. You're still holding that thing? Yeah, I think when I finally buy into some coins, I'm gonna just buy into some blue chips, because I don't know if I can gamble and sit through these downwards moves with what little money I'm gonna put in. RSR looks good. She's holding up, holding the trend, holding the higher highs, higher lows, above the 3-2, so macro bullish over 0083. Looks good. Maybe the next high up, if it doesn't blast out of here, is going to be a 5.5x to the 786 here. So if market structure holds, the next move up should take you up there, and possibly come back down, hit the 0.5, if we're not going to go, like I said. And that would take you in the range of the trend once again. Yeah, is RSR on Coinbase? I don't even know. I know this is an older coin. But RSR, if this thing can run to a new high, 1272 at 37, maybe 40 cents, that's where you're going to get a 43x from today. But yeah, chart doesn't look bad right now. I got to check my phone. It's blinking over there. Yeah, what is B3 doing? I don't remember the last time we looked at it. Oh yeah, it was in this little pattern. Yeah, and this is what I told you guys. I was like, this is bullish, but it could easily break down, and that's exactly what it did. There's no point in drawing patterns on these new coins. So we'll see what we're holding here. See if we're holding bullish over the 382 or something. Alright, so that's good that you respected the 0.5. So this thing could easily, since it just got stuck at the 382 at 1.1, it needs to get back over that to be bullish. But if it ends up curling back down below 9, 618 is in play. That could be what's happening. That could very well be the case on B3 here, 618 retracement, so another 20% drop to 00777. But it's normal behavior for these things to do this and they come back 618 and then get a bounce. But yeah, any lower than 77 there, then it's done. Confirmed. Wow, we got 34 people in here now. Let's see. Yeah, at some point we're going to make crypto great again. Here, let me check my phone. I'll be right back. All right. Just here to like the video. Back to work. Buy the dips. Buy the dips later. I appreciate that if you're being serious. Stopping in just to hit the like button. What's up, Peter Rocket Pool? You got silver. Smash the like button. I appreciate that. Yeah, I guess silver's at XRP well. Man, can you imagine if XRP goes to $100? What did I just read? Arkham and Rocket Pool and whatever Omagax Health is. What is that? What's the ticker for that? You talking about Arkham Intelligence? Arkham, where's our charts? Come on. Oh, there's nothing bullish on this chart. So maybe the bottom. I think we went over that last time. Just because you hit this volume area, you can clearly see there's resistance now turns support at this area. So if it breaks through this, then it's going all the way back down here. But if this is the bottom after breaking down, you have to get back over the 236 on Arkham. Short term, high to the low, same spot, 86 to 94 to confirm a bottom is in. I guess we'll go short term. Screw it. Nothing better to do. So, looks like you may have bottomed. Here on the daily candle chart. Let's get you a really short time price, 71. So you're right over it. So if you can hold here, bullish over 79, and that should push you up 618236 in the same spot. So once you get over that, confirmed over, confirmed move up. But the momentum is on the upswing. Yeah, some of you guys will get lucky, some of you won't. Some of you guys end up buying the bottom of a coin like this, and then it just goes to the moon from here. But Arkham Intelligence. Yeah, there's just too many cryptos we cover now because I got to make charts for all these, and there's just not enough time in the day. But this one to a new high is a 9x to 670. What's up, Singapore? Hadi in Singapore. Yeah, now I lost. What was that other coin? Oh, Rocket Pool, RPL. What's up, Maddie? RPL, Intel. I guess we looked at this one before. Maybe. I don't think we have a chart on it. RPL. I don't know what this is, but it looks horrible. Rocket Pool. There we go. Oh wow, how long has this thing been out? I'm gonna have to go out to the monthly chart just to see what it's going on. It looks like all these other coins. Alright, so macro monthly chart on Rocket Pool. Is this an actual coin you can buy? I guess it is. So you're making lower highs and lower lows right now, but you did just tag the 3 too, so 527 is your bullish support to hold. But off of that structure here, remember these are monthly candles. You could 618 and 85% drop, so just going from the 2021 high to the new low here, keeping it simpler so we can go to the smaller time frame. Yeah, it hit the top again and fell. So keeping it simple, it's respecting the levels. So over 928, bottom is back in. It's trying right now, but it's getting stuck. And 3-2 at 13, you're bullish. Breakout over 23. So you said something about staking with Ethereum on this one. 15x to 120 bucks. And then short term, yeah, short term your candle's holding bottom over about 711 here. Yeah, when are we ever going to wake up in the market here and do something? All right, this one's still playing out. Only thing bad we pointed out is, of course, the bullish, whatever the hell that is. I can't even think right now. Oh, the bearish divergence on the stock RSI. You have the stock RSI going down as the price is going, making a higher high here. So that may just simply tell you that the price is going to get stuck when it hits the next resistance here. But it is making higher highs like everything else and higher lows on the macro here. So once it hits 1-2, get ready for shadow realm to suck you back down. So if it stays bullish, still another 28-29% move up to 1 penny. 1-2 there. If it comes all the way up to the 786, then you may be going at that point. But it had some nice tight consolidation here, and it just bullish now. So as long as you're above 7.6 down to 6.2, you're good. Yeah, and it's about to break the high it just made. Yeah, there's nothing even drawn here on the 4 hour because it's about to break that high. Super short turn, 9-1, and you're bullish. Omagax Health. I don't know what that is, but I'll type it in. Yeah, there's nothing popping up. Oh, let me look. Maybe I missed something in the chat. Fett and Arkham. Yeah, we did Arkham. No, we didn't go over Turbo yet, but I did make an update on Turbo on the channel today. Turbo. If I had the funds, I'd probably buy into Turbo right now. Even there's nothing bullish on it at all, really, on the chart wise, but just this massive dip on Turbo. It is still holding over the previous high at 003, so not a bad spot to be buying in, I would say. It could still drop. I mean, we already know the game, but just the fact that we're holding over this level here really needs to be the bottom on Turbo. And then high to the low on Turbo. Short term back over 4.2. Confirm a bottom bullish over 5.3. And then once you get back over the 007 area, over this support, now turn resistance, you'll be in a good spot then. But yeah, Turbo's been so bearish for a long time. It's like I keep saying, if we break down more from here, if Turbo breaks down and breaks the high, breaks that support level, and just starts coming all the way down here to these levels, which it could. The fact that you just made a lower low and you're making, well, you haven't made a lower high yet, so you may get a bounce here, and if we hit a lower high here and start pulling back, that could tell us that Turbo's gonna die and it's not going up for a long time. That means the whole market's not going up for a long time, because you can clearly see the resistance here, and then we blew through it all the way back here. These candle bodies, these candle bodies, these candle bodies. So off of that lower low, we make a lower high, then the price could come down 786 retracement back to 1 before we decide to go back up in the future. So just be aware of that on Turbo. The only thing you can do now is buy the dip. Then buy the new dip that comes in. Mantra. Is Mantra taking off? Oh, she's starting to. Yeah, I pointed this out every time I updated. This coin's been going up and bullish for so long, but it gets no views. It's like no one cares about Mantra. This thing is still bullish. Formed a little bull flag and then she's taken off. Another 38% move to 10. If you can get over 10, 10, 10, 1, 6, 1, 8, next possible stop. There is no other fib levels here. 6x up to 45. So once you get over 10 on this one, it may have another large green candle spawn in. If you stay over 450 there. ZBCN, yeah, ZBCN's bullish now over the 382 if it's holding. And it's another one that's going to just leave me behind. I was going to try to buy it, whatever you can buy it on. So we'll see what plays out here on ZBCN. It has to get over the 0.5 at 1.5, break this previous high here. Every time you come up here, you get stuck, but If it can make it up here, if it doesn't create a lower high here, if we create a lower high here, then it's not going anywhere yet, and it'll just come right back down. Clearly, that's what it's been doing forever here. Made a lower high here, and then it just kind of died. So if this ends up being a lower high, it's just going to die right back down until it's time to go up. But as they said, or someone said, XRP on steroids with AI. What's up, Altcoin Academy? Polyswarm, what is Polyswarm doing? What's up, Slava? How you doing, my man? Yeah, Polyswarm's doing the same thing we keep saying about Spell and all these other coins. They made the higher high and they're down here. I don't know how long we've been saying this on Polyswarm, and she's still coming down. But it is weekly candles, so we're expected that. So as of right now, you are holding the low to the high 618. So any lower than 2.6, if it doesn't get a bounce here, then you're just simply completing the higher low scenario. So you could still drop 35% down to 1.7 here, unless the price of NC Polyswarm here is going to crawl around and do this for a little bit, and then tag it at the 3.2. But more likely scenario, it's going to come all the way back down, as it has been. There are 1.2 million cryptocurrencies. Yeah. They're going to be interested in some kind of mantra. Yeah, that's what we keep saying. There's just too many coins now. If you guys don't pick the right coin this cycle, which I'm not even in the cycle yet, but if we don't pick the right coins, we're going to be screwed, because not everyone's going to buy everything. The big talk right now is Ondo, XRP, XLM, Litecoin. All these coins coming with the ETFs. Cardano. We should all just bought XRP back in the day when we looked at it. Uphold. Okay, yeah, that's what it was on. Uphold. I don't know why this chat scroll never works for me. Yeah, did we ever look at Pudgy Penguins? What was the ticker for that? I know they just put it on Coinbase. Yeah, another Coinbase rug. But I'm pretty sure we have to look at this on a deck screener. Bitcoin's not doing anything. Bitcoin is still in consolidation inside the bear bull flag. We're going to get the breakout at some point. It's just not here yet. But yeah, Bitcoin's been holding up in this bull flag for a long time. Looks like the breakout's going to be over 103. And it's going to shoot straight up to 127. And people are going to scream bull market is here. And it's going to pull back again. What are we looking at? Oh, Bitcoin. I mean, we can zoom into the smaller time frames on Bitcoin, but ultimately, you can clearly see it's just flagging right now. But if we want to get more technical, high to the low, you're over the 3.2, so 96, you're bullish. needs to get back up here and get a 3-day close over 100K, and then we'll try to break through 103, 104. All right, let me open up Deck Screener so we can look at Pudgy Penguins and Jerry the Turtle, I think he said. Yeah, I don't think I would touch any coin, any new coin on Coinbase that just got put on there. Trying to see what better chart there is. Pudgy Penguins on Coinbase. So they listed it here, it went up, and now it's over, huh? Yeah, this one's done. If you're just looking at the Coinbase chart, and you're hoping this thing's gonna go back up, you broke your trend, you back tested, and now off of this large red candle, you can clearly see you're forming a continuation pattern. So as long as you stay in this pattern here, it's just consolidating before it falls off the table again. And if you go by this one, low to the high, you're down below the 382. What did I push? But anyway. JYAI. Yeah, I guess that was the Coinbase pump, huh? Now it's over. So yeah, Pudgy Penguins, whatever chart you look at it doesn't look good. If that's even it. Alright, not the same thing. Alright, we'll just go look at Jerry the whatever. JYAI. Oh yeah, Jerry the Turtle by Matt Fury. Yeah, you're still trying to hold the 786 here. High to the low. So 4.7 is your price. We'll draw another one real quick. Low to the high now. Yeah, I mean, we can draw 1,000 different things, but 4.0, as long as you stay above that, you're bullish. Any lower than that, it's probably the top. It's just going to come back down. And there's no telling how low it'll go. 28% drop to 3.4 possibly. But if you hold here, and it's going to go for a new high, 150% move to 3.01. Wow, we've been here for an hour already. Yeah, that's what I said earlier. It's Friday night, it's Valentine's Day, so everyone's out, you know, having a good time. Treble? What is treble? you asked for that one before, but I don't remember what it is. Treble. Oh man, that's a deck screener coin, huh? Yeah, what are you guys doing? You guys got any plans for today, tonight? Alright, I can't find this treble nowhere. Yeah, it doesn't pop up on deck screener either. So I don't know what you're talking about. B3 will have another run. Cookie Dow looks promising. Went degen and threw some money at bad. You're talking about bad idea? I don't know if we've ever looked at bad idea, if that's what you're talking about. Or unless you went in on that other one. Oh, we have looked at bad before. But yeah, that Cookie Dow is a good one. I made a couple updates on that. This looks horrible. I don't know if you're talking about bad idea or not, but this looks extremely bad. There we go. This thing spawned in and double topped and then went to 0. Yeah, bullish over the 382. Looks like when you break over the 0.5, she's going to go to the moon. You finally get a weekly close over that. Yeah, Cookie Dow doesn't look bad. It looks like Turbo. Just came back and back tested macro support area, and now it needs to go up. Baby Brett on Coinbase. Is that even a coin? I didn't know there was a Baby Brett. Oh, I think he meant Baby Brett on base. Single Awareness Day. Okay, I get it now. Baby Brett on base. Alright, let me pull these coins up. Alright, Treb on base. Is that what you mean? Well, that's not bad. $75 on it. Yeah, if this thing can go and possibly hit a new high, 25x on your $75. Alright, back over to deck screener. Hold on, let me make sure you said Treb on base. Do you... I guess this is it. Let's see here. All right, switch over. Let's see what we can do with this. It looks like it's going complete zero. Yeah, did any of these other base coins we ever looked at do anything? Bonk, Pepe, Blue. Yeah, there's no wicks on this damn thing. I can't do anything with it. It's still making lower lows and lower highs. So there's really nothing we can do with this thing. Unknown decks. There's no lock liquidity. It's got 9,000 holders, so. Short term, it looks like it's getting stuck right at the 236, as you can see here. Let me make this a little bit bigger for just a moment. But it looks like you need to get over pretty much 50 with a 4-hour candle. Bullish over 52 to confirm any sort of a bottom. But I would imagine this is a gamble play for you. New high from the bottom is a 5x to 225. If that's the bottom. Baby Brett. Yeah, she's still not bullish at all, Baby Brett. We looked at this one before. Downtrend is clearly still in play, so you need to get back over 8087 to confirm a bottom. Bullish over 7018 to be bullish. But yeah, this is another one, I guess, add to the base gamble list. Yeah, it's a 380x. If that's the bottom. No, it's a 450x. I mean, not a bad seed planter. Just put 50 bucks on these coins and see what happens. Oh, the baby bottle in the mouth. What's up, Flip Coins? Oh yeah, that was it. Could be a good play. Hopefully it works out. If I could ever get money to get in on some of these coins, I would. Slava says he's having Valentine's dinner. He's on there and he's having dinner. Your girl's gonna slap you, my man. Better pay attention to her. What's up, dude? CTX and Render. What are we on? CTX, I don't remember what they're doing or what it was doing. I think it's coming back down to the trend, ain't it? Yeah. CTX is doing what everything's doing, especially off of the lower high. Made a higher high here, but it's probably coming back down to put in a higher low. So you are at the 618, any lower than 273, then depending on how fast it goes, you could drop 12% and even, 25% if it's going to have one death candle spawn in. But yeah, that's what CTX is doing right now. So if you're looking to buy the dips, it looks like it's coming back down to 244. But it doesn't have to. We like CTX for a good Coinbase play. Is it going to do a 50x and hit a billion market cap? I have no idea. But that would take you up to about 140. $70 would give you a 25x, and a 786 retracement would give you a 7x from where it is today, if it holds over the 618. But like we said earlier, there's just so many coins now. It's going to be tough to pick the right ones. May just have to settle with little 4 to 5 to 6x's on some of these larger coins like Litecoin and whatever else hasn't moved that's old. Maybe the safer play, blue chips. Yeah, Render's holding up. You're still holding the 786 here, so you're just consolidating once again. From this period, you pumped and you're right back at it. So maybe we get more consolidation, but 421 is your price to hold right now in Render. And then Render, $37 for a 19 billion market cap as an 8x, 9x. Let's switch it. But ultimately, you're just down here doing nothing at the moment. Maybe a 15x to $75. But if Render holds up, it depends on when we go. I think it can easily hit that. Maybe higher. What's up, Roger? Your lawyer didn't let you allow you to do what? He wouldn't let you own crypto? No, I didn't look at it because I didn't know where to find it. Omegax? OME Gax. XYO to the moon, says Aaron. Yeah, I would have looked at it a long time ago, but I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. Yeah, you got to tell me where it is or give me a better ticker symbol because there's no such thing as this. Let me type it in the deck screener. I think I already did that though. XYO. Yeah. We missed the boat on all these X coins that left. Yeah, XYO is holding up. It looks like what? Corium still holding the bull flag. So as long as you're able to 0.5 at a penny and a half here, 2 pennies is next. Break over 2 pennies, possible breakout from the pattern here. Yeah, XYO is in a real good setup here. A new high to 21 cents would give you a 11 and a half, almost a 12x to a 3 billion market cap. And then a little higher, 34. So 20 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents. That'd be your 20x. And if you think it's going to come all the way up here and hit about 70 cents, which I think, yeah, we got the dollar on here. So almost a 40x to a 10 billion market cap. But if it hits a dollar, it's a 57x to a buck. She is watching. Oh, okay. So she can hear me then, huh? Hopefully you're keeping your man in line. He comes on here and acts a fool sometimes. But he's a good guy. If XRP breaks 290 tonight, I'm getting it. You're getting lit. Yeah, it needs to get a 4-hour close over 283. Okay, deck screener. Yeah, there was talks of another ETF on XRP today. I think that's why she was bullish. Oh, you just got home from the States. You're back in Mexico. Oh, man. Yeah, this next weekend I'll be heading back down to South Texas. Gonna be fun times. Sarcastically saying that. What do we got on the screen here? We're still looking at XYO. Yeah, but overall the market's not doing anything. Bitcoin's still flagging here. It's still in the bull flag. So until it decides to break out, we're just going to keep chopping around. Hopefully we can get out of here at some point. Oh, we still got 35 people in here. Is it time to end it? Let me pull up that coin for you. Yeah, I'm sorry, it doesn't exist. Nothing pops up when I type it in. Oh, never mind, I found it. It's on Solana. Alright, I gotcha. I found it. Hold on. Alright. Not a bad looking chart. It looks like it's about to curl up. High to the low. You're clearly getting stuck right now at the 382. So if you can punch through 3091, you're bullish over that level. And then I would guess the bigger question is, where's this thing going to run to? What kind of damage can it do? If it's going to do anything. Not bad. 1272 new highs at 30x to 2.5 pennies. But it is curling up at the end here, so not looking bad. Doesn't look like my coin. The dumb Drake coin. Anita Max win. It's going to 0. Refresh this. Did you guys answer the poll? Hit the like button. Gotta refresh everything again. Come on. All right, there we go. Let me make sure I covered what little super chats came in. But yeah, we're probably going to end this. We're already over an hour and there's nothing to talk about. We're going over the same coins over and over. We need to turn bullish already. But I appreciate you guys coming in here on a Friday, Valentine's Day night. Hopefully you guys enjoy yourselves for the rest of the night. think people were being Jasmy. Oh yeah. What is Jasmy doing? Jasmy's still holding up. Starting to curl back up here. XCN. She's still trying to hold. As long as we hold weekly candles on XCN over the 618, maybe this falling wedge pattern that's new on the chart is going to play out. We still got almost 2 days left. All right, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. Not too many people here today. Everyone's busy. It's understandable, but I appreciate you guys that did come in. Of course, hit the like button. Check out the videos on the channel. Give them a like if you want to. And we'll be back at this again tomorrow. Hopefully one of these days, like I keep saying, we'll turn around and be bullish and stop this shadow realm bleed out death thing. But still may be a lot ahead. Yeah, from what we're seeing now, it does look like the market's going to go a lot lower from where it is. So yeah, like he said, be prepared. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you coming in, everyone. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone.